Welcome to Wandering Ongo, your own channel. There are about 21 gates for entrance to the Grand Bazaar. The major gates are Beyazıt Kapışı, Çarşı Kapı, Nurosmani Kapışı, Mahallpaşa Kapışı, or Gezilir Kapışı. We entered into Grand Bazaar Istanbul through Gate 5, Çarşı Kapı. There are many entrances for this huge bazaar, and there are lines going in for security check. The Grand Bazaar in Istanbul is one of the largest and oldest covered markets in the world. It has about 61 covered streets and over 4,000 shops with a total area of 30,700 meters square. Daily about 250,000 to 400,000 visitors visit the Grand Bazaar. The construction of the future Grand Bazaar started during 1456 AD, shortly after the Ottoman conquest of Constantinople. You can hear the shopkeepers invite people in while you are wandering around the bazaar. You can hear words from many different languages in these friendly greetings. Grand Bazaar is a place that keeps lots of vanishing professions alive, with their unique culture. The Grand Bazaar is the largest jewel bazaar in the world. You can find the best gold and brilliant designs in the jewelry shops along Grand Bazaar Street leading to the Nurosmani Gate. Although the Grand Bazaar suffered 11 fires and 2 earthquakes, it still fascinates visitors with its architecture. In Gezilir Street, you will find many cloth shops. You will notice flea market in some area, but on the whole, you will find the branded stuff. The Grand Bazaar is huge and colorful and so fun. It's also busy and easy to get lost when you're in it. The old Bedesin section of the bazaar is a popular place for antique lovers. Make sure you are wearing comfortable footwear as you have to walk miles. Drive a hard bargain while you are shopping and don't put off buying the things you want until after you have a walk around. It may be difficult for you to find that shop on your way back, and even then, the pieces you like may have been sold. Be sure to have a camera with you since you will wish to take photos of many things in this colorful world. If you are visiting the Grand Bazaar for the first time, have a pen and paper. You may want to note the names of the streets so that you will remember where you have been. As we were badly tired during this walk, so we decided to go back to the hotel. We were not able to visit the whole bazaar, maybe on any other day. Good night, take care, bye.